Hi, we'll be looking at Amazon CloudWatch database insights in this video. To explore database insights, let us navigate to Amazon CloudWatch. Under Insights on the left-hand side, we have Database Insights. In the Database Insights, there are two dashboards that we see. The first is the Fleet Health dashboard, and the second one is Database Instance dashboard. Let us explore each of these one by one. The Fleet Health dashboard provides a snapshot view of the health of your database fleet. A database fleet is a group of databases that you want to monitor. A monitoring view for a database fleet can be created and saved as a fleet by choosing filters like instance, cluster, engine, endpoint, VPC ID, or tags. The saved database fleet can be used for purposes like frequent access or for grouping database instances. Once you have a database fleet selected, the instance state summary on the right-hand side presents a honeycomb representing the nodes within that fleet. To get to know more information about an instance, you can choose a honeycomb to view the summary of the corresponding instance. Each honeycomb is displayed in relevant color to highlight the database instance current utilization, such as high, warning, OK, or idle. The chart on the right-hand side provides the top 10 database instances per DB load utilization, that is, the ratio of the database load to the number of virtual CPUs in terms of percentage. The events chart provides a summary of all the events from the database fleet grouped by their severity. You can also select the details within the chart to get to know more about the summary of these highlighted events. The details of events can be filtered using options like severity, category, event name, or instance. The calling services chart provides a list of CloudWatch application signal services that are calling the database endpoints of this fleet. The two top 10 instances per metric charts that here are on the left-hand side and the right-hand side help you quickly identify the top database instances in terms of their utilization based on the following metrics: CPU utilization, freeable memory, DB connections, network throughput, read IOPS, write IOPS, read latency, and write latency. The RDS instances overview table at the bottom of the dashboard provides a list of all the database instances in this fleet and a direct link which navigates to the database instance dashboard to explore more details of this instance. Now, let us explore database instance dashboard. There are a few ways we could navigate to the instance dashboard. One is by selecting the honeycomb in the Fleet Health instance summary. Yet another way is to navigate by going to the RDS instances overview table at the bottom and selecting the required database instance. The database instance dashboard provides a snapshot view of the health of a database instance. For the database instance that is selected, the database load chart provides graphs for key metrics like database, host, SQL, user, weights, application, and session type. Currently, the application and session type are only supported for Aurora PostgreSQL. These metrics are collected every second to display the activities in your database instance. The Explore button on the right-hand side opens up a topology map of the related services of the selected database instance. This provides better visibility for easier operational troubleshooting. Selecting each of these icons within the topology map pulls the related metrics and logs for that service. For the selected database instance, the DB Load Analysis tab provides the top contributors to the DB load for the same dimensions mentioned earlier, that is database, host, SQL, user, weights, application, and session type. We have the top dimensions sorted in a quick view. The Database Telemetry tab provides charts for metrics and logs for the selected database instance. The metrics displayed in the dashboard are customized for the relevant database engine type. The Logs tab provides a view of the database logs exported to CloudWatch logs for the selected database instance. Slow SQL Queries tab displays reports for database which have log exports enabled to CloudWatch logs and configured with database parameters for SQL queries and query patterns. Slow SQL Queries selection provides a list of slow query patterns sorted by their frequency. The Events tab provides a table of RDS events for the selected database instance. The OS processes chart provides a list of processes that are running on the database instance at a specific timestamp with the details of the consumption of resources on that instance. Performance Analysis tab lists on-demand performance analysis reports for your database instance in your fleet, which can be run anytime using the Analyze Performance button on the top right corner within the database load chart. Once the report analysis is generated, it's listed under Performance Analysis Reports tab. Select the desired report from the list, which opens up a new tab and displays a detailed report of the database instance. Lastly, the Calling Services chart provides a list of CloudWatch application signal, both the services and operations that are calling the database instance.